Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. Well, it's no secret, the Razer Phone 2 here on my Project 13. 349 smacks. I just could not pass it up. I put it off long enough and I was battling within myself to pick up this device. Ever since selling the Razer Phone 1, I really missed that device. But I told myself that if I ever picked up another Razer phone, it wouldn't be the 1, it would be the 2. Now, the changes, the differences are going to be incremental in comparison to the Razer Phone 1. I know that. We're going to have chroma lighting on the back, which is cool, but it's not like, wow, but it's going to be cool to utilize that for notifications because I do want to save battery life, so I'm not going to keep it on all the time. But we're still going to have that 120 hertz refresh rate. We're still going to have those dual speakers, those huge speakers up top and at the bottom all the way across. The display is going to be the same. I think it's like, what, 5.7 inch display, LCD panel. It's not AMOLED, but it's going to be brighter. So I'm looking forward to see how much brighter the display is. The build's going to be a little bit different as far as the aesthetic look of the device. Not so much on the front, but on the back, because the bezels on the front are going to be a little bit smaller on the sides, but the speakers will be the same. But on the back, you're going to have the cameras now on the center top of the device instead of on the upper left-hand corner. So that'll be cool as far as the look. The cameras are supposed to be better. We have optical image stabilization. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 in comparison to the 835 on the Razer Phone 1. So yeah, I mean, there's going to be some of the same old, and then there's going to be some differences. And I know I didn't put all of that in order because, well, I'll be honest, sometimes it's hard to keep all that info right in here. But either way, I'll share the information with you from time to time because I know this is not a new smartphone, and some of you are really getting pumped up for some of the newer smartphones or the recently released smartphones. Well, let me tell you something. I'm shooting this video with the Google Pixel 4 XL, and I'm really bored of it. It's a great smartphone. Great smartphone. I'm just bored. The iPhone 11 that I still have, is right there, I'm bored. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, where is it? Right here. Great device, but I'm bored. And at $349 for the Razer Phone 2, I needed it. Well, I don't think I needed it. Well, maybe it's part of that addiction thing, you know. But I just wanted something a little different. And yes, it's not a newer device, but for me, it's 100% new. And I'm ready to experience it. I'm ready to dive into it. And from time to time, I'll be sharing some information with you, most likely during a vlog. So be looking forward to that. For some of you out there who are considering this smartphone at $349, and hopefully it stays there. Hopefully it doesn't go back up. Okay? And if you're just needing some information that you haven't gotten from anybody else on YouTube or on the web, hopefully I can give you what you're looking for. So let me know down below what you are looking for, and I'll see if I can get to that and share that with you. So you know what? I'm just really stoked to have it. I'm excited to take pics and shoot video with the cameras. We'll see how the optical image stabilization that's on this phone that wasn't on the Razer Phone 1, how that's going to do when shooting video on the rear, early morning vlogs, and just when I'm out and about. I still have a lot of pictures from the Razer Phone 1 on my computer, so I'll be looking at those pictures, and I'm going to see if I can go out and relive the moment. I'm going to go back to some of those areas where I took those pictures and compare them, and that's going to be kind of tricky. But if I can get something close to those pictures from the Razer Phone 1 with the Razer Phone 2, I'll make a slideshow, okay? But yeah, I sold a Razer Phone 1 a few months ago to a co-worker's brother who is a gamer, and he is just loving that device, loving it. And that's really cool. And well, I'm hoping to love the experience on this, and I'm sure I'm going to, because it's a media device, and I'm going to get a lot out of it. Listening to music, watching movies, videos, and just enjoying the performance. And yeah, I'll let you know the little things, battery life, the 845 to the 835, there's a major difference there. I doubt that I'm going to be able to really tell the difference. So that's it, man. stay tuned for more. Thanks for coming by, watching this vid, but please leave feedback down below in that comment section. And I do have a case, clear case. I got some tempered glass screen protectors coming in tomorrow. I'll leave the information for this down below in the description area. A link for this Razer Phone 2 as well down there. And yeah, we'll see how the screen protectors do. I'll let you know that too. So little bits of information that I'll be throwing out to all of you. And hopefully you follow me as I use the Razer Phone 2. Thanks for being a part of Team My Project 13. I'm looking forward to riding into 2020 with all of you. The journey has started. I don't know where it's going to take me, but hey, whatever comes my way, hopefully I'm ready for it. Either way, God bless, peace, and